现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Hey, this whole month we're trying to bring you convenience, or to be convenient about something. 方便怎么说呢？
奉偏。
奉偏 Okay, that means convenient. Especially like where I live.Recently, a supermarket opened up, and it's so convenient right now to buy grocery. 你家附近是不是有所谓便利商店啊，或超市啊？
超多
超多的，对不对？其实台北很难没有这样子的方便，
一条路上4间。
对对对。可是因为我当时搬家住的这个地方是比较住宅区，真的是要走个10分钟才会有。
结果现在呢？
便利商店现在有超市了，好开心，好方便哦！
每天晚上出来逛街啊。
不过他10点就打烊了啦，还好，他服务不了我这个夜猫族。All right, so we're gonna put you in this situation, okay? 我家附近开了一间超市。There's a supermarket that opened up near my house.
雅布哈夫區開了一間超級市場。
開了一間超級市場。所以我家附近雅布哈。
对，我家附近雅布哈夫區。
夫區 is nearby. 雅布哈 that means my house nearby has a supermarket. 買東西變得很方便吧 It's so convenient to buy things now.
買東西變都懂奉偏吼。
Okay, means became so convenient. 奉偏 we already taught you convenient. 省很多时间和体力也是另外一个啦哈。有时候浪費太多時間，對不對？就很討厭。時間就是金錢。Saving a lot of effort and of course time.
上動到時間勞體力。
體力 that means 體力。Yeah, 要勞動的體力，不是勞是這個和啦，對不對？
對呀。
然後時間that means time. To save a lot of time and effort. Yes, for sure. All right, so let's review some of these terms such as the supermarket, 超市。
超級市場。
超級again is super, 市場 is market. And then to save, 省。上很多時間 time. 時間 and effort, or actually energy, 體力。Okay, and it's all about the phrase convenient or 方便。
奉偏
And again, to be honest, living in Taiwan is a very 方便 country, all right? That is today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.